The what the P-Rods. The Clout, what the Dunks. The what the Kobe. Wait. The what the Kobe's, man. They back, guys. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And you always gonna get this smile on my face when we get another Kobe sneaker, man. Y'all know Kobe like the GOAT to me, man. He's like the greatest of all time. But the what the Kobe, this sneaker was super dope, man. It put all the Kobe 8s all together, just like the P-Rods I showed you, just like the Clout joints. Everything in one, man. This is not my best. I think I like the left side better. But, man, this is super dope. I'm ecstatic to get into this. Let's hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. It even come with Grinch shoelaces, guys. This was a dope Kobe, man. I showed y'all the high earlier. That also was a what the, but both sides was the same, the colorway, the pattern. So it really wasn't a what the to me. But this is the what the, man. All the 8s together. I'm more of a Kobe, 5 or 6 I like. Whatever was the last one I just did, Jackie Robb, that's my favorite Kobe silhouette or number. But the 8s wasn't that far off the 5 or the 6, man. So we're going to get into a 4K in-depth review on these right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So just like the Kobe Dodgers joint I showed y'all a couple days ago, we got that Black Mamba back with the Kobe signature in gold. Looks luxury, man. Looks Louis Vuitton-like, man. Got the Black Mamba skin all around the box. Super dope. It reads Kobe 8 Protro, multicolor, multicolor, multicolor. When you flip open the lid, all black. More of that black and gold luxury Kobe tissue paper. Then you get some white. And here is the left shoe of the Kobe what the, guys. So let's start with the laces because they sure are in the way, man. You get that Viper green look here. I forgot what 8 these came from. But I'll put it on the screen, all the 8s. But we all know this shoelace here, man. The Grinch. You get the Grinch colorway in there, man. None of these laces kind of match with the left side of the shoe. But that's the whole theme of the what the situation. Because you know what comes after what the. Exactly. So, there you go, man. This look more of like that Miami I see in there. I also see like that, I don't know the name of that Kobe. It was like a jungle cat or whatever that was. I actually have them over here. I see some of this in there also. And just a whole bunch of Kobe 8 vibes. I didn't have the originals, which made me way more happy for this sneaker. But at the tongue here in the middle, it said KB24 and some silver metallic look. I don't know if that was on the originals, but I really like that look. Let's get into the inside of the shoe. Huge Nike logo there and like some platinum gray, you would say. It's so huge. I was about to say it's covering the swoosh. There's not even no swoosh in the inside, but it looked like it would be covering it if it was. No swoosh in the inside. More of the Kobe 8 patterns all through. I love this pattern, guys. And this Kobe 8 is so light. Like, you really could have balled in these, man. The bottom here is translucent. It looked like it glow. But on the other shoe, it really, really looks like it glow. Kobe signature there in orange on some purple. Can't have no Kobe without purple. Look at the inside, though. This one looks shimmery and metallic right there. Dope look, man. The bottom has like a space situation going on. This sneaker has a lot going on, man. I showed y'all these 2 shoelaces. Let's look at these ones here. these shoelaces actually match the sneaker, so I like that. Got your blue, your red hits. This tongue is super dope, man. Look like an alien light. Got the Kobe logo right there, like some turquoise green, some red. I like it on top of like a purple tongue. A lot of stuff going on here. Ironically, the inside is all white, not a color at all. I guess they ran out of colors with a big Kobe logo. The bottom has that purple and orange Kobe logo, kind of matching that there. And a silhouette bottom, man. No colors besides the Kobe logo. Here's the left here. As I told y'all, the bottom really, really looks like it glow. You can tell it's glow. It gives me vibes of the X-ray joints we got early in the year. So the inside here, you got a huge Nike logo here. Of course, that's from a Kobe silhouette, but standing alone right there, look like it's from a KD in my opinion, guys. And this has more of like a greenish tone. The other one is more blue orangey. This more lime green. The Grinch situation. The Grinch shoelace is actually in there also, mixed with something else. Green tongue. Green and orange Kobe logo. Neon green. What's that yellow? That's neon green. Neon green swoosh. Just like the inside is bigger, so it looks like the color's different. But this giving more of a green vibe, but it's my favorite side because of the glow in the dark here. This one also has the Kobe 24 there. But the bottom does it for me. The inside's also all white. But this sneaker's just very, very light, guys. It's crazy. Okay, guys, so right to left or left to right, however you viewing it. This is both sides of the Kobe 8 from top to bottom. I want to know in the comment section below y'all favorite side. I'm still leaning towards the right. I like it. I don't know if it's because of the Grinch shoelaces in there. But this one is definitely more rockable if they would have just did a silhouette like this. Red swoosh compared to the neon green swoosh. Yes, sir. So I hit these on that Foot Locker Reserve raffle. I had to go pick them up on 34th Street. Super crazy line. This year's sneakers are back, guys. I should have took a video of that line. When I got there, I said, we all hit Kobe's? Everybody started laughing, but we all hit them, man. Foot Locker had the long line for them. I paid $195 after taxes. I kind of knew I was going to hit, but with Kobe's, it's like they play a game with me with the sneaker world, man. Because with Foot Locker, with the Reserve, I use the max on the, what you call it, like to get an extra shot at it, I used my max at it. So I kind of figured I was going to hit it. 34th Street, Manhattan, with a big Macy's at. That Foot Locker's huge, so I knew I had more of a shot there, and I got them. I'm kind of bummed out I didn't get the shorts. I tried for the shorts on sneakers. I didn't hit. At Foot Locker, they only had the shirts. I need the shorts, man. I'm going to pay retail for them shorts. But, man, as far as basketball, if you hooping in them, these sneakers is light. As far as lifestyle, you're going to have to put something crazy together. That's why I really need the shorts, man. But yeah, man, what the Kobe's, man. I got a whole bunch of videos coming to y'all. So everything the ShoeTubers say, please do. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.